Wait, you want a contract? Let me guess. You want a contract?
Yeah,
Come on, man.
2:19 p.m. today. Got an email that we want another contract. Profit on this one probably won't be anywhere from 15 to 30K, but it's only like 2.5 hours worth of work. So probably roughly $12,000 an hour. All we're doing is submitting.
That's it. That's it. My man making $12,000 an hour.
That's just for motivation, you know.
Oh,
I
for
know
sure,
it's tough out there, but I just
Yeah.
want to encourage everybody, you know, this stuff is possible.
That's awesome, man. I'm kind of curious though. What was the contract for? What are you doing?
What you call the Honda Pioneers, UTVs,
Okay.
four-wheelers. Yeah. They
Look at
wanted
that.
3 of those, so we're gonna be able to do the job. So yeah, I think it was $98,000.
Yeah.
Again, the profit's gonna range anywhere from 15 to 30,000, depending on if we can get them all at the same location to cut down on the shipping costs.
That's sweet, man. Listen, I'm telling you, man, going to Billy Allen. That's awesome, man. Keep doing your thing, man. Keep doing your thing. Whenever speaks, I know it's a win. At least close to it. I just know it. Let's go, man. Congrats. That's dope.